Hello everyone, this is Kare. In the previous tutorials, we have learned many interesting transition effects. And today I will show you how to quickly create a dynamic green screen transition effect. Once you know this, you can quickly apply it to any video. If you're interested in this one, keep watching the video. First, we open VideoProc. If you haven't downloaded it yet, use the link in the description box down below to free download the software. We need a solid green image for this effect. We can quickly create it in VideoProc. Click here to create a new text layer, and then delete all the text. Next, click here to change the background color. Choose green. And then click here to save a green screenshot and import the image into VideoProc. Next, we modify the background color again. This time, change it to blue. Then click here to create 3 overlay tracks. Place the green material on the overlay track. In Inspector, select Align Bar Height. And then click Crop to trim it into rectangular shape. Alternatively, you can directly input 270 here. Move it to the bottom of the screen by clicking here. Click Motion to start creating the animation effect. We add a keyframe at the starting position, and then restore the display area to its original state. Next, add another keyframe at 1 second mark. Set speed mode to speed on 1. Return to the first keyframe and move it horizontally off the screen. Then, go back to a second keyframe and move it a little bit to the right, about 1/6 of the way. It doesn't need to be exact. A bit more or less is fine. Then we add keyframes at the 2 second and 3 second marks. Select the last keyframe, restore the display area, and set a speed mode to speed on 1. Click Apply. Let's preview the effect. Well, the first animation effect is finished. Next, we copy it and place it on the lower overlay track. Click here to move it upwards to align with the other material. Adjust the coordinates in Inspector for detailed alignment. After that, click on Motion and adjust the position of the second keyframe slightly. Move the display area left or right a little bit. Then align the third keyframe with the second one. If you're unsure whether they're aligned or not, you can copy the x-coordinate number from the second keyframe and paste it into the x-coordinate of the third keyframe to ensure perfect alignment. Use the same method to create the remaining 2 keyframes. I will fast forward this part. Let's preview the effect. Well, it looks good. You can also stagger them slightly to make the effect more natural. Adjust the duration of each segment to match. And then click here to export the video. After exporting, import the video back into VideoProc. Place the first video on the main track. And a transition video on the overlay track. In Inspector, select Align Bar Height, scroll down to Green Screen, and click here to use the eyedropper tool to pick the blue color. Click Enable to remove the blue. Now, the blue has been removed. Trim the video here and export it again. Place a second video on the main track and a previously exported video on the overlay track. This time, removing the green color. Let's play it back. Well, the effect is good. The blue and green screen materials created this time can be reused in other videos. Isn't that very convenient? Alright, that's it for today's video. If you want to know more about other new tricks or what else has been going on with VideoProc Vlogger, be sure to click that subscribe button to subscribe channel if you haven't yet. And we'll see you soon in our next video. Hope you enjoy. Bye!